Hello, I'm Miles Tails Prower. We will learn about the difference between simple and Foucault's pendulum. We first go ahead with the simple pendulum. A simple pendulum is a weight suspended from a pivot so that it can swing freely. It is subjected to a restoring force due to gravity that will accelerate it back toward the equilibrium position. As you know, the bob is first at the equilibrium position. This means both kinetic and potential energies are zero, as both velocity and height are zero. To let the pendulum oscillate, we can start from the either side, then release the pendulum bob so that it can oscillate. The velocity becomes zero and height we get h at both ends. This means the kinetic energy is zero, and potential energy is maximized, that is mg times h. At the mean position, we know the height is zero, but velocity is maximized, at v. This means the potential energy is zero and kinetic energy is maximized, that is half times mv squared. If we look at the following graph, the potential energy curve starts from the maximum level, and ends at the same level. For the kinetic energy curve, it starts from the zero level, and can be done in a similar way. For each quarter cycle, the middle one shows its maximized kinetic energy and potential energy is zero. So at any time, the total energy is equal to its sum of kinetic and potential energies. Therefore, it remains constant for an ideal pendulum in motion. One thing about the three-dimensional view, we have seen the front view first. At the side view, we can only find the potential energy of a height. And at the bottom view, we can only see the kinetic energy level. Maximum is at the middle, and zero at both ends. That's the experiment called simple pendulum. Foucault's pendulum, on the other hand, as seen in the last video, the bob oscillates at the x-axis, and making an angle at z-axis as the Earth rotates. The pieces arranged in a circle drop one by one on each axis, is hit by a bob, and rotates it for the next piece. Ideally it takes about 12 hours, making an angle 180 degrees swept, this and that side. The time change can occur due to daylight savings in some countries. So, this video is about simple and Foucault's pendulum. Like, comment, and subscribe now.